This literature kit on The Whipping Boy by Sid Fleischman tests students' higher-order thinking skills with useful response questions. 55 pages chock full of before-you-read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Imagine alternatives to the story by writing a scene if the king's knights found Jemmy and the prince after they ran away. Identify which character said the provided statements. Write a ransom note to the king in Jemmy's hand. Then, predict how the king will react to reading this note. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as having students design their own coat of arms and write a brief presentation to share their creation. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Highlight how Prince Brat matured throughout the course of the story in a before and after organizer. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.